Hi, everyone. My name is Trisha Martland, and I am the Program Director for the School of Justice Studies in the Criminal Justice Program. So let me just say a warm Roger Williams welcome to all of you, those of you who are criminal justice majors and those of you who might be undecided and thinking about criminal justice. I want to talk to you a little bit today about not just our major, but some of the things you can look forward to for classes in the fall. You likely already know that criminal justice is a major that is focused on policing, on corrections, obviously law enforcement, security, but also in an interdisciplinary program also focused on criminal procedure, and that our attention is given to theory and practice in the criminal law, as well as studies in the social sciences. And it is a program that really hones in on the complexities of an ever-changing criminal justice system. So if you're wondering what do students with criminal justice majors do once they graduate from Roger Williams, do a variety of different things. Our program enables students to be prepared for careers in law enforcement, whether it's local, state law enforcement, or federal. We have many that go on into corrections, some that work in the criminal justice system, in our court systems. We have some that go on to work in probation, both juvenile as well as adult. And a number go into victim advocacy, which is a class I'm going to talk to you about in just a few moments. And we also have some students that go on and get masters and PhDs in criminal justice and criminology to do research in those areas. And we have some that go on into law enforcement, or excuse me, to law school. So a variety of different paths through the criminal justice program, which is why it's an interdisciplinary program to prepare you for all different possibilities upon graduation. So to talk a little bit about what registration is going to look for in the fall, some things you should be thinking about. We have some courses that we as a faculty are thinking about with this ever-changing world that we're living in. We typically offer a class in social justice, which we're hoping to also have either this fall or spring for you. And we have a faculty member who's working on a class in race and policing, which is also an exciting new possibility for those of you who have an interest in going into those areas. And I teach a legal advocacy clinic, which is for juniors and seniors who are interested in learning about domestic violence and how to help victims of domestic violence obtain orders of protection in our court system. It is geared specifically for those in their junior and senior year, but many of my students come in freshman year and say, I just want to let you know it's something I'm interested in, and I can make sure that they have a place come junior or senior year, although you're very early on to be thinking about those years. So lots of different possibilities. We have a variety of different elective courses, but we want you to be thinking your freshman year about your required courses. So here's what you should be thinking about for the fall. You would like to be enrolled in an Introduction to Criminal Justice class, or CJS 105. There's a possibility some of you may choose to take that course with me over the summer. If you don't and you want to take it in the fall, that's okay too. If you choose to take it over the summer, then you might want to think about taking criminal law in the fall. But most of you, I would imagine, are going to take Intro to CJ in the fall, and that's exactly the way that we've planned our course options for you. You typically will take 5 classes as a full-time student, so your other classes can include a math course, depending on where you score on our entrance exam, a writing course, depending on where you score on our entrance exam, and then you should be focused on some of our core courses. Everyone at Roger Williams University takes 5 core courses. There's one that's saved for your very last year at Roger Williams, but the other ones you should be, 5 of them, and there's one that you will be saving for your senior year. But the others you will take, I would suggest your first or second year at Roger Williams. So there's one in science that includes a lab component. There's one in the arts and literature, and it's really designed to open everyone at the university up to all the different possibilities of study, and you interestingly may come upon something that you never thought you had an interest in. And this is an opportunity for you to open as many doors as possible and experience as many things as possible. So core courses, you may want to take 1 or 2 your fall semester, your Introduction to Criminal Justice course, your writing course, a math course. If one of those doesn't fit for some reason, we have some students who will fulfill one of their CJ requirements, which is an introductory course to either political science, introduction to psychology, or introduction to sociology. So there's a variety of different options. Don't get worried if something that you wanted to take is filled. There will be another chance for you to take it. And you will be meeting either with myself or Dean Bronson or one of the other faculty members in July to put those course options together. Just want to welcome you again, tell you we can't wait to see you on campus. Enjoy the rest of the summer, and we'll see you soon.